Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the stock Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. I have been getting a lot of requests about this stock, if I can review it, since I do talk about EV plays. How come I'm not talking about Fisker? We will be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my latest videos. In addition to this, I do have a chance for you to get some free stock, most importantly, Lucid stock. If you use my link down below to Moomoo, open that link. It will take you to a website. If you deposit $100 into Moomoo, which is a trading platform, you will get a free Lucid stock valued $45 right now, which is a 45% upside on that $100 investment. In addition to this, you will get a chance of up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. So far, my viewers have received Tesla, Amazon, Apple, and Lucid stock now. So congratulations to those viewers. Don't forget to get your free Lucid stock as well. In addition to this, I do have crypto.com for the cryptocurrency traders out there. If you use that link down below, you will get $25 just for opening that account for trading in cryptocurrency. Amazing promotions I can get you right now. Take advantage of those. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Fisker. Why am I not talking about Fisker? Let me just give you a little bit of a history that I have with Fisker, with the company, and my research with it. Going back to the year 2012, when the Tesla Model S came out, the very first Tesla that came out, I was intrigued with electric vehicles. I really was looking at this. Well, a company came out to compete with Tesla. They were Fisker. And Fisker actually had a car that came out called the Fisker Karma. And I actually got a chance to see this in person. I thought that this was an amazing vehicle. I was so intrigued with this. But that was the year 2012. Fast forward about 9 months later, I am hearing that the battery supplier is filing for bankruptcy because Fisker was having a big battery recall. They were having a lot of problems with the batteries. They were having a lot of electrical issues. And this ultimately caused this company to bankrupt and file bankruptcy just 2 years later in the year 2014, because that battery company that they were getting their batteries from, the company I believe was called A123 Suppliers, they actually were bankrupting because they were making a very horrible battery and battery pack for this company. But they never really quite came out of that bankruptcy. Now we do have the person, Henry Fisker, that is back, and he is trying to develop this company from ground up again. So Henrik Fisker, the CEO of Fisker Automotive, was very well known in the automotive industry. He has worked from big companies such as BMW, Ford, and Aston Martin. So you could see some of those qualities in his vehicles with that Fisker Karma, and now also moving forward for the new Fisker vehicles. So I definitely like his vision. I like where he's looking, but I'm not quite sold on the vehicle just because it left a bad taste in my mouth whenever I did review this company, and I have been involved with this company for quite a while with my research in it. That being said, where is this company now? As you know, Henrik Fisker has joined with his wife, Geta Gupta Fisker, in the year 2016 to re-establish this company, start it from ground up. They have been working to get its vehicles out on the road since the year 2016. Fast forward to the year 2022, they have not produced one single vehicle. In addition to this, they will not be making their own vehicles. So we have a lot of startup companies, for example, Lucid Motors, great batteries, great history, racing history. They are making vehicles for the Formula E. They have been making their battery packs for quite some time now. They also make their own vehicle, also make everything in-house, ranging from their electric motor inverter all the way up to the battery. Everything is made inside Lucid Motors in its factory. Now, when we do compare this to Fisker, everything is outsourced. So now that I've talked to you about my history with Fisker, what I think about it, Let's talk about this business and see if it's an investable company to look into. So, as I mentioned, Fisker is not going to be producing its own vehicles. It's actually going to outsource this. Fisker has partnered up with a company called Magna for its platform, sharing engineering and purchasing services. Now, one of the downsides I could definitely see is profit margins. Who is going to keep the majority of the money? How much does Fisker make? How much does Magna make, the company that's actually physically making the vehicle? So that is a very big thing. Whenever you talk about money, whenever you talk about business, there needs to be a very good relationship there. This is too new of a company. Again, we saw what happened with the bankruptcy back when Fisker first started, whenever it did go bankrupt with that battery supply company. In addition to this, right now, Fisker is collaborating with a company called Foxconn. Foxconn is a Chinese-based company under the name Honghai Technology Group, and it is working together on an electrical vehicle project called PAIR, which stands for Personal Electric Automotive Revolution. They are going to be going globally to make Fisker globally. They will have a very nice entry price of the vehicle, which will be about $30,000 before any incentives. And they do plan on making this next year, Q4 of 2023. It's going to be making a huge amount of vehicles, 250,000 units. Now, we have not seen what this vehicle will be like, but it looks like they are trying to get something similar to the masses, something maybe similar that will maybe compete with the Tesla Model 3. We're really not quite sure yet, but we do definitely see that Fisker is not making its vehicles. They are partnering up with people to make this. Now, in addition to this, Fisker also does not make its own batteries and its battery supplies. So again, they are partnering up with a company they just signed on November 2021, just 3 months ago. They have signed an agreement with a company called CATL Cattle to supply their batteries for the Fisker Ocean SUV. They are going to have an agreement to work on their battery capacity from the year 2023 to 2025. In addition to this, in December, just recently, again, Fisker announced a partnership with Bridgestone for their electric vehicle services in France and Germany. So again, they are again partnering up with companies. Now, will this partnership work out? I'm really not sure. I know how the last partnership ended. It didn't end too well. It ended in a big bankruptcy. But I am hopeful for Fisker. I definitely wish them well. Now, where is this company now? Some of the nice things to look forward to. I did talk about a lot of the things I'm not interested in and why I haven't bought Fisker. Some of the things to look forward to is that they do have a new vehicle. They do have a new fresh start. They definitely could kill it in the market. When looking at that Ocean vehicle, it looks beautiful. If it functions, if that solar roof works, this will be amazing, amazing growth for this company, and I wish them well. Now, they will have reservations already had started, and as of January 2nd, 2022, they have over 23,500 reservations for that Fisker Ocean SUV. Now we'll need to see, can they get it? Can they make it? And so let me transition and show you their stock. So Fisker actually ended today at $15.76. They actually were pretty much trading sideways, I would say. Pretty much starting at $16. They end a little bit lower than that. Really not much to brag about. They did go as low as $15.44. Again, nothing huge. In the past 5 days, they are down about 5.5%, testing a low of about right above $15.15. They have had a resistance in the past 1 week of $17. So we are having that range between, like I said, about $15 to $17. In the past 1 month, they are down about 8.4%, but we have found a base. So if you are interested in this stock, if you can get this stock under $16, I think you are getting a good deal if you're holding this, and if Fisker does a good job and delivers. So again, my risk tolerance in this company is I do think it is a risky play just because of its past history, but a lot of analysts will not agree with me, and I'll definitely show you that in the next few minutes. But in the past 6 months, we are down, 3.7%. We have tested a high of about $23.68. Year to date, in the past 1 year, actually, we are pretty much getting this price right now as we started the year back in January 1 year ago. But we did see in February 26 was its high. It actually reached up to $31.96 was its 52-week high. It was after hours. But according to the charts here, we are looking at about 28.50 was its high. But we have had a big sell-off. So definitely you could see a lot of risk in this company. And remember, this company has not made any vehicles yet, and their first vehicle production will be in October of this year. This stock is already at $15.70 with a market cap of $4.67 billion. So if this market cap and if this company, if it does go through, this will be a great investment, in my opinion. I still just have not bought any because I do want to see how the partnerships happen. Are they going to be a solid partnerships? Remember, they just signed the contracts, in November 2021, not too long ago. But let me just show you how the analysts, Wall Street investors, compared to me. They are more bullish on Fisker, ticker symbol FSR, than I am. We had 7 total analysts review it. 5 are giving it a buy, 2 a hold, 0 sell. It does give it a moderate buy, a potential of 72% upside from now. The lowest price target, $18. The highest price target is $40. If you average these together, you get $27.14. Now, remember Mr. Jonas from Morgan Stanley? He actually gave Fisker the highest price target on here, which is $40, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And it's been a while since I read Mr. Jonas's work. But he does definitely think Fisker is a lot better investment than Lucid Motors. But again, please do your own research, your own due diligence before purchasing any of these stocks, even Lucid Motors. But as you know, I do favor Lucid Motors. But that being said, if you average all this together, $27.14 in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, 72% upside on this. If this company can perform, if it can make it, I do think that if it has that big, good partnership, solid partnership, this company will definitely do good. But what I do not like about this is that there's too many hands in the cookie jar. There's too many cooks in the kitchen. Henrik Fisker is a brilliant car designer. He has brilliant things and designs that he did with a vehicle. I definitely love that. I even love that Fisker Karma. What I don't like and what I'm really fearful is there's too many fingers in there. They're not building their own vehicle. They're not making their own software. You saw all the partnerships that are out there. What if these partnerships don't work out? Right now, we're having a lot of pressures with supply chains. How is that going to affect them? So a lot of big unknowns. This is one of the biggest reasons I have not invested on Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. But I hope you learned something new. Please always do your own due diligence, your own research before purchasing this or any other stock, including the stocks that I recommend, such as Lucid Motors. But I hope you learned something new, but give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Join the community. In addition to this, don't forget to get your free stocks. Right now, Mumu is giving the best promotion. Using the link down below will take you to a website where you can get that free Lucid stock by putting in $100 into this account. In addition, you will get 5 free stocks up to $3,500 each, depending on how much money you put into this account. In addition to this, Crypto.com is giving my viewers, if you use my link, $25 just for signing up in cryptocurrency for trading. Also, Coinbase, very good crypto wallet. You can also sell and buy cryptocurrency, is giving you $10 in Bitcoin for putting in $100 into that. So take advantage of that as well. But thank you again so much for watching, for all your support, and I can't wait to talk to you in the next one. Thank you.